Yes, good morning, dear students. All of you are very well, I know. Let us see. I have given you some formulae of the arithmetic progression, so called Aloo ka paratha. The nth test, let me revise those things. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the nth term. It means last term of an arithmetic progression. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. And Sn is equal to sum of n terms means Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the sum of n terms. Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. How this formula you got? Let us see. Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket a plus l. Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket a plus l. N means number of terms, a means the first term, l means the last term. It means suppose if you are finding 1, 2, 3 dot 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 till 10. What is your last term? Last term is 10. First term is 1. And now you have to find the sum of these 10 terms. So S10 is equal to n by 2 means 10 upon 2 into bracket a means first term 1 plus last term is 10 upon 10, 1 plus 10. So 10 by 2 into 1 plus 10. 10 by 2 means 5 into bracket 11 is equal to 55. It means what is the sum of first 10 natural numbers 1 to 10? 10 by 2, number of term is 10, 10 by 2 into 1 plus 10. Because A is the first term, L will be the last term. So S10 is equal to 10 by 2, it means 5, 1 plus 10. 10 plus 1 is 11, 5 is 55. Okay, this is the last term, this is the first term. It means Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket A plus L. L is the last term. This is the formula. Now how you get this formula? Let us see. Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket A plus, what is your last term? Last term is this. Or you can say L is equal to or Tn, or sometimes you write An also. All the three terms have the same meaning. L, Tn, N. A plus n minus 1 into d. It means A is the first term, last term is A plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket A plus m is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. It means this is the formula of the sum of n terms which you got right now. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now I am going to discuss some questions of AP. First, question number 3rd of exercise 5.3, first part. A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, An is equal to 50. Find N and Sn. Find N and Sn. Let us see. How to solve this question? An is equal to 50, D is equal to 3, A is equal to 5. A is the first term, D is the common difference, N means last term. So N is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, last term is 50. So 50 is equal to A means first term 5 plus n minus 1. What is the common difference? 3. So 50 minus 50, transfer 5 here, minus 5 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. 50 minus 5 means 45 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. Transfer 3 here. So 45 upon 3 is equal to n minus 1. 45 upon 3 means 3 1 are 3, 15. So n minus 1 is equal to 15. So n is equal to 16. N is equal to 16. It means number of terms n is equal to 16. Again I want to explain you. n is the last term. So last term is n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Last term is 50. First term is 5. D is the common difference. This is 3. 5 plus n minus 1 into 3. 50 transfer 5 here. 50 minus 5 is 45 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. Transfer 3 in the denominator. It becomes 15. So n minus 1 is equal to 15. N is equal to 16. It means number of terms are 16. Now you have to find the sum. Sum is n is 16, s 16 you have to find. So s 16 is equal to n by 2. It means 16 by 2 into bracket 2a 2 into 5 plus n minus 1. It means 16 minus 1 into common difference d is 3. 16 by 2 means 8 into bracket 5 2s are 10 plus 16 minus 1 means 15 3s are 45. 5 2s are 10. 16 minus 1 is 15. 15 into 3, 45. It means 8 into 55. The answer is 440. It means the sum of 16 terms is equal to 440. I think it is clear to you. Okay. Now next question. This is the question. A is equal to 7, first term. A 13. It means 13th term is given to you. Is equal to 35. Find D, common difference in S 13. This is S 13. It means sum of 13 terms you have to find. Now I have told you in my previous lecture, suppose if you have to find the fourth term. The fourth term, it means you will apply the formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and you have to find the fourth term. It means T4 is equal to a plus 4 minus 1 into d. It means it will be a plus 3d. This is your fourth term. It means fourth term is a plus 3d. Similarly, fifth term. The fifth term will be a plus 4d. 21st term will be a plus 28d. 19th term, it means a plus 18d. 38th term, it means a plus 29d. Similarly, you can write here a13. A13 will be a plus 12d. See how I am getting a plus 12d. Tn, it means an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a13 is equal to a means 7, a plus 13 minus 1 into d. It means a13 is equal to a plus 12d. And 13th term is 35. It means 35 is equal to a plus 12d. Okay, and a is 7 given to you. So 35 is equal to 7 plus 12d. It means 35 minus 7 means 28. So 28 equal to 12d. So 28 upon 12 equal to d. Fourth is a 4 7 now. So d is equal to 7 upon 3. The common difference, d is equal to 7 upon 3. Okay. Now what we have to find? The sum of 13 terms. Let us see. D is equal to 7 by 3 you got here. It means sum of 13 terms means S13 is equal to n by 2. It means 13 by 2. Because number of terms are 13. 2a तो 2 into 7 plus n minus 1, 13 minus 1 into d, 7 by 3, तो 13 by 2 into bracket 2 7 the 14 plus 13 minus 1 means 12, so 12 into 7 upon 3. Only plus sign is there, that is why you can cancel. 3 1 the 3, 3 4 the 12. Okay? You cannot cancel this. This is separate term and this is separate term. So 13 by 2 into bracket 14 plus 4 7 the 28. It means 13 by 2 into 42. You can cancel 2 21. Now 21 into 13 you can do. 13 1 the 13. 273. 13 1 the 13. 3 carry over 1. 13 to the 26 1 27. It means sum of 13 term is equal to 273. You got it? आपको समझ में आ गया? I hope this is clear to you. Now next question. A12 is equal to 37. D is equal to 3. Find A and S12. A and S12. Let us see how. A12 means just you can apply the formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. It means An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An means A12. A plus 12 minus 1 into D. It means A12 is equal to A plus 11D. And this is 37 given to you. So 37 is equal to A plus 11 and D is 3. So 37 is equal to A plus 33. So A is equal to 4. Now you got A is equal to 4. It means the first term is 4. Now what you have to find? You have to find the sum of S12, sum of 12 terms. Let us see. S12 is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And S12 means n is 12. So 12 upon 2 into bracket 2 into a just you have found here 4 plus n minus 1. N minus 1 means 12 minus 1 into common difference is 3. So it will be 12 upon 2 means 6 into bracket 2 4 the 8 plus 11 3, 12 minus 1 11, 11 3 the 33. So is equal to 6 into bracket 33 plus 8 41. Okay, now the sum will be, answer will be, again I want to explain, n by 2, n is 12, 12 upon 2 means 6, 2a means a you got here 4, so 4 to the 8 plus 12 minus 1, S12, n is 12, 12 minus 1 into d, d is 3, so 11 3 is 33, so 41 into 6, 6 1 is 6, 6 4 is 24. The answer is 246. I hope this is clear. Now question number 4. A3 is equal to 15. S10 is equal to 125. Find D and A10. Find D and A10. Let us see how to solve. A3. A3 means you can apply the formula An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. It means A3 is equal to A plus 2D. Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. It means A3 means A plus 2D is 15 given to you. So A plus 2D is equal to 15. And now sum of 10 terms. Sum of 10 terms is 125. It means S10 is equal to N by 2. It means 10 by 2 into bracket 2A plus 10 minus 1 into D. It means 5 into bracket 2A plus 9D. And S10 is given to you 125. This is 125. Okay, S10 is equal to 125. So 125 upon 5 is equal to 2A plus 9D. 25. So 25 is equal to 2A plus 9D. The first second equation is 25 is equal to 2A plus 9D. And this is A plus 2D. Okay, now here you have to find D and A10. Now 2A plus 9D is equal to 25 and A plus 2D is equal to 15. Now you can multiply by method of elimination. You can solve. Here you can multiply by 1, here multiply by 2. So 2A plus 9D is equal to 25 and 2A plus 4D equal to 30. This is minus, this is minus, this is minus. Cancel. 9 minus 4 means 5D equal to minus 30 plus 25 minus 5. So D is equal to minus 1. D is minus 1. Now what you have to find? A. It means A plus 2D. A plus 2D is equal to how much? 15. So D is minus 1. So A plus 2 into minus 1 equal to 15. So A is equal to 15 plus 2. It means A is equal to 17. So you got A is equal to 17. Now what you have to find? A10. D already you got. D is minus 1. D is minus 1. Now here you have to find A is 17. Now you have to find A10. The 10th term you have to find. Let us see how. 10th term is A10 is equal to A plus 10 minus 1 into D. It means you can write A plus 9D. A is 17 plus 9 into D is minus 1. It means 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. So you can write A10. You can write A10 is equal to 8. Okay. This is the fourth question. I hope this is clear to you. Okay. Thank you and a wonderful day ahead.